Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I got today is an absolute banger. What I want to talk to y'all today is a golden opportunity. I know a lot of folks still thinking it's a recession. Yes, it really is a recession. Yes, it really is, to me, still a pandemic. A lot of people are having hard times, and I got a golden opportunity where it's fortunes to be made. Yes, I said it, fortunes to be made. This opportunity, you need to jump on it. You're going to be making 20% commissions. You're going to get 20% commissions every time somebody order. You're going to get commissions every time somebody downloads the app. You're going to get commissions every time somebody joins the affiliate program. So you're going to be making money every time somebody downloads the app, joins the affiliate program, and 20% commissions every time somebody orders something. Now, this site, I'm not just talking. They have contests all the time. When you win money, you get PayPal money. Most people like PayPal money, but look, the products I've been ordering now for the last, I think, 3 or 4 weeks now. I will say that these products, they great products. Sometimes, people think they cheap, but maybe that depends on what you get. But the products I ordered have been phenomenal. Me and my dad been ordering off the site 3 or 4 weeks, and we starting to get stuff like every day that we've been ordering, and the products look like they hold up. And like I say, if you look at the site, they got all kind of stuff. Some stuff 97% off, 98% off. 40% off, 55% off. It ain't no way on this site that you cannot like nothing, because they have so many products. But like I say, it's a win-win, especially if you like the products. You can get the products and resell them if you want. That's an opportunity. I don't do that, but I'm just saying, I don't know who's on here watching this video, but you can keep the products, you can gift them to other people. But where the money is to be made is downloading the app and get people to join the affiliate program, because you're going to make money either way it go, whether it's them two downloading the app and joining the affiliate program, or people ordering stuff. So then you're going to get that PayPal money. They always having contests where you can win money. They even pay you for sharing. Like, that's what you're going to do to make money. So this is a golden opportunity. You don't want to miss out, because I know a lot of people out here is hurting, and people got to pay the bills these days. So if you in the jam and don't know where to turn and ain't nothing else working, click the link below and sign up under me. And also make sure you like this video, and most definitely subscribe to the channel. And that's just it. Also, when you sign up, either at the website, yeah, I left that out. You don't just you can sign up at the website too, or download the app. But either way, if you just get it out here and share it, you're gonna make money, because this site is getting so famous within the last 5 or 6 months. It just might be competing with eBay and Amazon. And it's been affiliates that done made up to 60,000 just sharing this site. So with that being said, I'm gonna leave a link below. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.